Hello again, my name is Skylar for those of you that don't know, and today is a sad day. This is my exit video. You know, through SWAT I learned quite a bit. I relearned some old stuff, learned how to work in Adobe Premiere again. I really enjoyed a lot of the video editing. I'm sure you guys could see that in my SWAT commercial that I had a lot of fun recording and editing that entire thing. Getting to work with Office 365 was quite an enjoyable experience as well. I got to learn more about the Microsoft products and how well they work, whether they work differently in the cloud or whether they work differently as a program installed to the computer. I really learned how to work with the teachers and students and fix a lot of the issues they were having, such as projecting issues, setting the computer from duplicate to extend or extend to duplicate so all of the fashions worked as they were supposed to. And I really enjoyed using WordPress as a way to build a website. I'm excited to one day build my own website without having to use WordPress, just use HTML as my code. But as a whole, I had a lot of fun in this class, and I'm really sad that I'm a senior and that I have to depart so soon. I would have really enjoyed to have been in this class a lot longer. For incoming students, I suggest following what you gotta do your work, and learn some stuff about some technology. Make sure you know your stuff. That would be my word of advice to you guys. And that's pretty much it. Have a good rest of your afternoon.